8th chapter, limits and continuity. This chapter belongs to mathematics 1b, part number 19. Last part completed, impounded problems, 4 marks questions are completed. One is expected repeated problem, another one is unexpected problem completed. Last part number 18. Today discuss some more 4 marks problems in limits and continuity, standard limits formulas model. This problem, exercise 8C, Roman number 3, question number 5. What is the problem? Limit extends to a sine of x minus a into tan square of x minus a all by x square minus a square whole square. X square minus a square whole square. This one is the problem. This is also be impounded 4 marks bit. After that, you can write here limit extends to a sine of x minus a into tan square of x minus a. Numerator is unchanged. Denominator you can write a square minus b square form. What is the formula of a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. Nothing but in place of a is x, in place of b is a, x plus a into x minus a total whole square. After that you can write limit extends to a sine of x minus a into tan square of x minus a. Once again numerator is unchanged. Denominator can be written as here x plus a into x minus a whole square is there. You can write separate power. That's why you can write x plus a whole square into x minus a whole square. Here tan of x, in place of x what here? X minus a. Here also be x minus a. You can write tan square of x minus a whole square is the one term, remaining one is the another term. You can write this term limit extends to a sine of x minus a by sine of x minus a whole by x plus a whole square is the one term. Second term is what? Second term limit, we can write separately tan square of x minus a by x minus a whole square. After that, what is the first term here? What is the first term here? Sine of x minus a by x plus a whole square. This is the first term. What is the second term? Tan square of x minus a by x minus a whole square. This is the second term. You can write separate limit these two terms. Separate limit. Limit extends to a sine of x minus a by x plus a whole square. This is the first term. This is the first term. What is the first term? Limit extends to a sine of x minus a by x plus a whole square into limit extends to a tan square of x minus a by x minus a whole square. This is the second term. Second term apply limit. Limit is what here? Limit extends to a tan square of x minus a by x minus a whole square. After that, here you can apply limit. Here you can apply limit sine of. Here what is the limit? Limit extends to a. Nothing but x approaches to a. X value is 2. You can write in place of x is 2 sine of a minus a whole by, in place of x is what here? A plus a whole square into limit. You can write this a left side. A positive a goes to left side, negative. That's why the x minus a tends to 0. Tan of x minus a by x minus a total whole square. Correct or not, students? Here tan square is there, here x minus a whole square is there. Tan square x minus a whole square you can write whole square. Here limit, only one limit is there. You can apply limit many times. That value is unchanged, already explained previous class. That's why you can write limit x minus a tends to 0. tan of x minus a by x minus a whole square. Here limit extends to 0, tan x by x is equal to 1. This formula is there. There are not there. This is the standard limit formula. Limit extends 0, tan x by x. Here x is there. Here x is there. Here x is there. You can write 1. Here tan x value is x minus a. X value is x minus a. Here also be x minus a. This value also be equal to 1. You can write sine of a minus a. Get cancelled, sine 0 by a plus a 2a whole square into this total value equal to 1. You can write 1 whole square. Sine 0, 0 by 4a square into 1. 0 by something, how much? 0 by something is 0. 0 into 1 value also be equal to 0. 0 by something value equal to 0. 0 into something value also be equal to 0. This is a limit extends to a sine of x minus a into tan square of x minus a whole by x square minus a square whole square value equal to 0. Next problem is this problem number 3, question number 6. What is the problem? Limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 2mx all by sine square nx. Here 2mx is the angle, here nx is the angle. Already explained some important formulas in trigonometry, that is 1 minus cos 2x formula. Which formula? 1 minus cos 2x. What is the formula 1 minus cos 2x? 2 sine square x. This one is the formula. Which formula? This one is 1 minus cos 2x. What is the formula 1 minus cos 2x? Here 2x is there. You can write angle x. In this way, here 2mx is there. 2mx, nothing but 2x. Here x value is mx. That's why 1 minus cos 2x. 1 minus cos 2x is equal formula what? 2 sine square x. We can write limit extends to 0. 2 sine square, here 2mx nothing but 2x. X value is what here? mx. That's why you can write 2 sine square x. X value is mx by sine square nx. 2 sine square mx by sine square nx. Here 2 can be common. Limit extends to 0. Sine square mx by sine square nx. Sine square mx by sine square nx. Here sine x by x formula is there. Standard limit, that is 1. Here sine square x is there. You can divisible also be x square. That's why in this way numerator and denominator dividing with x square. Numerator and denominator dividing with x square. You get what? 2 into, you get what here? 2 is constant. 2 into limit extends to 0 sine square mx by x square all by sine square nx by x square. Correct or not, students? Check here. Numerator and denominator dividing with x square. Here numerator dividing with x square. Denominator also be divided with x square. You get x square, both are cancelled. Remaining you get a similar answer. Correct or not? After that, you can use this one is the numerator, this one is the denominator. You can write separate limit numerator and denominator. You get what? Limit extends to 0 sine square mx by x square all by limit extends to 0. You can write a limit numerator separately. You can write limit denominator, limit extends to 0, sine square nx by x square. After that, here numerator square is there, you can write whole square. Limit also you can write whole square. Why? Because you can apply limit, that limit also be applied one more limit, that value is unchanged. That's why you can write 2 into limit extends to 0, sine mx by x whole square. Correct or not? Here limit square, limit cube, limit any one value equal to limit extends to 0. Here sine square is there, all by x square also be there, all by limit extends to 0, sine nx by x total whole square. Correct or not? Here denominator also you can write whole square, numerator also we can write whole square. After that, you can use the standard limit formula. What is that formula? Limit extends to 0, sine x by x is equal to a. This is the standard limit formula. Limit extends to 0, sine ax by x. Here x is there, here x is there, here x is there. You can write a, you can write answer is a. Here also be, observe that students, 2 into, here x is there, here x is there, here x is there. What is the value of a? Here a value is m is there. That's why you can write m whole square by, here x is there, here x is there, here also be x is there. In place of a, what is there here? N is there. That's why you can write n whole square. M whole square nothing but m square. 2 into m square by n square. This is the value of, limit extends to 0, 1 minus cos 2mx by sine square nx value is 2m square by n square. This problem coming to the IP examination more than 2 times, or repeated problem in IP examination, 4 marks question. Already all students learn and by heart this problem.